Welcome, in this video we will see Introduction to Metasploit project. The Metasploit project is a computer security project that provides information about security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. Its best known sub-project is open source Metasploit framework, a tool for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. Metasploit is well known for its anti-forensic and evasion tools, some of which are built into Metasploit framework. Now we will see Metasploit framework. The basic steps for exploiting a system using the framework include: first step is choosing and configuring an exploit. Exploit is basically the code that enters a target system by taking advantage of one of its bugs. About 900 different exploits for Windows, Unix or Linux and Mac OS X systems are included. Second step, optionally checking whether the intended target system is susceptible to the chosen exploit. Third, choosing and configuring a payload. Payload is basically a code that will be executed on the target system upon successful entry, for instance, a remote shell or VNC server. Fourth, choosing the encoding technique so that the intrusion prevention system ignores the encoded payload. And finally, the fifth, executing the exploit. This modular approach, allowing the combination of any exploit with any payload, is the major advantage of the framework. It facilitates the task of attackers, exploit writers, and payload writers. Metasploits run on Unix, including Linux and Mac OS, and on Windows. Metasploit framework can be extended to use add-ons in multiple languages. To choose an exploit and payload, some information about the target system is needed, such as operating system version and installed network services. This information can be gleaned with port scanning and OS fingerprinting tools such as Nmap. Vulnerability scanners such as Nexpose or Nessus can detect target system vulnerabilities. Metasploit can import vulnerability scan data and compare the identified vulnerabilities to existing exploit modules for accurate exploitation. Now let's see Metasploit interfaces. There are several interfaces for Metasploit available. The most popular are maintained by Rapid7 and Strategic Cyber LLC. Metasploit Framework Edition. This is a free version. It contains command line interface, third-party import, manual exploitation, and manual brute forcing. Metasploit Community Edition. Released by Rapid7, Metasploit Community Edition, a free web-based user interface for Metasploit. Metasploit Community is based on commercial functionality of the paid-for edition with a reduced set of features, including network discovery, module browsing, and manual exploitation. Metasploit Community is included in the main installer. Metasploit Express. This was released in April 2010 by Rapid7 before the Metasploit Community Edition. It's an open core commercial edition for security teams who need to verify vulnerabilities. It offers a graphical user interface, integrates Nmap for discovery, and adds smart brute forcing as well as automated evidence collection. Metasploit Pro. In October 2010, Rapid7 added Metasploit Pro, an open core commercial Metasploit edition for penetration testers. Metasploit Pro adds onto Metasploit Express with features such as Quick Start Wizard or Meta Modules, building and managing social engineering campaigns, web application testing, and advanced Pro console, dynamic payloads for antivirus evasion, integration with Nexpose for ad hoc vulnerability scans, and VPN pivoting. Armitage. Armitage is a graphical cyber attack management tool for Metasploit project that visualizes, targets, and recommends exploits. It's a free and open source network security tool, notable for its contributions to red team collaboration, allowing for shared sessions, data, and communication through a single Metasploit instance. Cobalt Strike. Cobalt Strike is a collection of threat emulation tools provided by Strategic Cyber LLC to work with Metasploit framework. Cobalt Strike includes all features of Armitage and adds post-exploitation tools in addition to report generation features. Now let's see payloads, the kinds of payloads or how many types of payloads we basically have. Metasploit currently has over 438 minimum payloads. Some of their command shell payload, which enables user to run collection script or run arbitrary commands against the host. Meterpreter payload enables user to control the screen of a device using VNC and to a browser, upload and download files. Dynamic payloads enables user to evade antivirus defenses by generating unique payloads. Payloads are regressively updated by companies and communities. And before I end this video on Metasploit project, I would like to mention few contributors or original developer of Metasploit project: HD More, the founder and architect; Matt Miller, add new modules such as exploits or scanners. So that's all in this video. In next upcoming video, we'll see Metasploit project in action, or we'll do hands-on on Metasploit projects. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.